Three Pinoy staff of Philippine Supermarket was given Employee of the Year award during the annual Christmas party celebration of Emirates International Holdings Group. Watch this report from Rosan Tabudlo.
A gift coming from them. And in that 25 years that
For almost 25 years, Emirates International Holdings Group or EIHG celebrates the annual Christmas tradition to honor the dedication of its employees who are mostly Filipinos.
But it is almost more than 25 years. We are every year. We have documented for this. I have albums for every year.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta po ninyo dito sa ating annual EIHG Christmas Party at Emirates International Holdings Group po.
The celebration was also graced by Philippine Embassy officials, headed by Ambassador Alfonso Ferdinand Ver, to recognize the company's long-standing support for the Filipino community in the UAE.
That's why you celebrate it every year, because this is your family and they consider you your family. You are the godfather of the Filipino family. And that's why I'd like to offer a toast for all continued success, good health, happiness, and in the coming year of the horse. So all the best. Congratulations and Merry Christmas, and as they say here, Eid Milad Majid.
Around the godfather of this family, Abu Nader, who has always been there for this company and for our community to uphold, our unity, to uphold our welfare, to uphold the dignity of the Filipino community here.
Through his companies, Abdul Razak Mohammadi has helped uplift the lives of more than 70 Filipino workers by providing jobs and recognition.
Since I start with Filipino community, like giving them job chance to work and having Philippine supermarket, I decided to make them happy always, as they are really hard work. Every year, this time with the season, Christmas and New Year, I try to celebrate for them.
Yung heart po talaga ng aming boss, talaga pong, sabi nga po, he's the ninong po ng mga Pilipino. So, yung boss po namin, talaga grabe po ang laki ng heart para po sa mga Pilipino. Also, bukod sa gift po niya is, gusto niya i-appreciate lahat po ng hard work po ng mga empleyado po niya.
One of the highlights of the night was the recognition of outstanding employees for their hard work and dedication.
I'm thankful to Arbab for giving me this opportunity and also for choosing me for Employee of the Year.
Masaya, syempre. Hindi ko in-expect na makamit ko ito.
Masaya na na-appreciate nila yung hardworking ko sa loob ng 6 years sa Philippine Supermarket. Na-appreciate ko too much.
For EIHG employees, the celebration brought joy, surprises, and unforgettable memories.
First time po matanat, napakasaya po dahil nanalo po ako ng prize po. Galing sa Philippines Work. Thank you po.
Ito po na panalunan ko na sa LBC, one large box sea cargo, and that one, di ko alam kung ano laman ito, mga house and lot. maraming salamat po sa Philippine Supermarket. Thank you.
As per the management of Emirates International Holdings Group, they will continue to organize more events that will uplift the spirit and morale of their employees. Together with Dexter Tabudlo and Raymart Acuña, this is Rose and Malyari Tabudlo for the #Pinoy Headlines, Dubai, UAE.